Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. As you can see, I've got my sidekick Carlito here today.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hey Mom, what's cooking in the kitchen?
Well, today, Carlito, we're making my version of a perfectly balanced breakfast burrito. And this episode starts right now. Okay guys, we're back, and today, as I mentioned, we're making my version of a perfectly balanced breakfast burrito. So we have a little twist today. Today we're going really healthy. Although some of my episodes, we have delicious Norwegian pancakes, we have chicken and rice. Today I'm doing a little twist. Today we're making a perfectly balanced, let's call it a power burrito, okay? A power burrito. You guys ready? Here are the simple ingredients for our burritos. We're going to be using, as you can see up here on the screen, I have a cup of baby spinach. We're going to be using a large flour tortilla, Carlito, a third of a cup of milk, 3 eggs, a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. We have half a medium bell pepper. You can choose any color you like. I like to use tricolor, Carlito. And we have half a medium onion, a tablespoon of fresh cilantro, and a small Roma tomato. And the kicker is, of course, we're going to have cheese, because cheese is healthy. And we're going to bind our tortilla with the cheese, Carlito. And last but not least, guys, our broccoli. We're putting broccoli in our breakfast burrito. As you can see, Carlito's been chopping it up for me here. All right, so let's turn this on.
Hey Mom.
Hey, what? Yes, honey.
I've never had a breakfast burrito before. Why are we putting broccoli in it?
Well, broccoli is a very good source of vitamin A, vitamin K, which is very healthy for your bones, just like spinach is. And it's a very good source of fiber. Really good for you. That's why we call it a power burrito. It's very good for our bodies. So look at this, you guys. We are using EVOO today, extra virgin olive oil. Yes, we are going all the way. So since this is not a deep skillet, I have like about 1.5 tablespoons of my extra virgin olive oil. Remember what I mentioned before, when the oils are too dark, they do not resist heat, so you never deep fry in them, okay? All right, Carlito? All right, so we're going to start, Carlito, with our peppers and onions. Please pour that in there. Our peppers and onions. Go ahead. Don't be afraid.
No, oil.
That's it? Okay, let me have my baby spatula right here. Okay, so now we're going to grab, look how beautiful that, how beautiful does that look, you guys? Oh my God, I love it. Look at that. Hear that sizzle. All right, so now we're going to put some salt to taste. Let's grab the salt, Carlito. Okay, we're going to grab our salt, our cute little salt machine. Pepper. Let's grab our pepper. Because remember, as I always say, our onions will sweat a lot easier with some salt, guys. Black pepper. Look at this cute little machine. Has a light. Has a little flashlight and everything, Carlito. Okay, guys. So now Carlito is going to pour. Wait, we're gonna go ahead and put the broccoli in. Let's put it with our hands, Carlito.
Okay.
He's gonna put the broccoli in. I want you to see that, guys.
Don't we put this?
Yes. Go ahead, put it all in. I'll grab this. Of our little floret flowers and stuff. It's all healthy. Remember, guys, the stems are very healthy as well, but they're a little tough. So we don't want our burrito. We want it to have texture, of course, but not so tough, Carlito. Okay?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna. Oh, you were? Okay. Okay. So now, Carlito, we're gonna put in our garlic powder and onion powder, honey. Go ahead, put it in. Run around. All right, we got our onion powder, garlic powder. Now Carlito is going to crack 3 eggs in here. crack 3 eggs while I go ahead and soften these veggies up, guys. He's really, really helping me a lot in the kitchen lately. And he's doing so well. I'm so proud of him. Watch out with the milk, honey. You don't spill the milk. Alright, guys. So look at that. Carlito's cracking our eggs. Look at this, guys. Look at how beautiful that looks. Doesn't that look pretty? It looks pretty and it's just so good for you. You can make these ahead of time. Carlito, they can make these ahead of time. You can wrap these in saran wrap and then wrap them in foil and freeze them. And then you can just heat them in the microwave before you go to the gym or, you know, before anything workout. You can toss those out, honey. Alright, so we've got our veggies smelling really good, guys.
That does sound
Give you so much energy. Did you know that bell peppers, Carlito, are very, very good for you as well? Okay, guys, so now, Carlito, we're going to whisk the eggs. Go ahead and whisk them, honey. So when I come back, our veggies will be soft. I'll show you how we put the eggs in there. We're going to pour the milk in here now. Let's do it like this. Let me show you, Carlito. Watch, like this. Don't be afraid. See how I'll move the bowl? Try that. It's all in the wrist, honey. It's all in the wrist. He's really a great helper. So these veggies are smelling so good, guys.
Did you say
Okay, so now pour the milk in. Go ahead, sweetheart. Pour the milk in. So we're building layers, guys, okay? So now we're going to put, Carlito's going to put some salt and pepper in the eggs, whisking it with the milk. And when we come back, our veggies are going to be ready. And I'm going to show you how we're going to pour our eggs in there and our spinach. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. We will be right back. Okay, guys, we are back. And I want you to see what I'm going to do here. Look at this. So now we're going to create a little pool here. We're going to lower our heat to medium, guys. 1 before medium. The secret to making delicious scrambled eggs is to take your time. Look at how pretty that looks. Almost looks like a wreath, huh, Carlito? Alright, so now we're going to pour, Carlito, a little bit more extra virgin olive oil in the center, a tiny bit. There we go. And now we are going to pour our eggs in, guys. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so now, guys, we're going to grab our cup of spinach. No, our cup of spinach, honey. Our cilantro and our tomatoes we're going to leave fresh. Okay, we have it. I'm going to pour it in there. Because remember, this will wilt, guys. So that's about a cup right there. It looks like a lot, but it won't be a lot.
Oh, yeah.
And I like to put it right when I put my eggs because spinach, Carlito, wilts really quick. Okay? So we're going to do that. So now, look at that. Oh my God. This is delicious, you guys. You guys are going to absolutely love this.
Hey, Mom.
When I come back, yes, honey.
Are we putting cheese in this?
Yes. Once this is wilted, we're going to add cheese to it as well. Hey, guys, I'm back for a minute. I have 2 big flour tortillas. You can use spinach wrap, tomato wrap, whatever you like. We're using flour tortillas today. I'm going to put them in the microwave for 20 seconds to make them pliable. Carlito was asking, Mom, what is that? That is to make it easier. Once it's warm, it's easier to roll the burrito so the tortilla doesn't break, okay? So we're going to do that. Working on stirring it for me. Now, I'm going to grab my little tortillas. And let's see. Okay, they're nice and pliable now, guys. Here's my... Alright. So now I'm going to grab some mozzarella cheese. And we're going to grab about half a cup. And we're going to stir it in there.
Keep stirring?
Yes.
Okay.
Keep stirring carefully. Make sure you use your hand like this when you stir. Don't be afraid. Use your hand.
Okay.
Okay? Try not to get any... Look, you got some egg out of it. I'm not mad, but I never get mad. I'm just picky in the kitchen. Right?
Mm-hmm. So like this?
Yes. That's correct, honey. Okay, so we've got our first tortilla. So, guys, I have the cilantro and the tomato with a little bit of salt and pepper we're going to put on it on top of our egg to have a fresh element that's not cooked, like an herb on top of our burrito. All right, so now we're going to do this, Carlito. Watch. Stand on this side. I'm going to show you real quick. Now, guys, we're going to grab our egg, put it in the middle. Yum. This is so healthy for you. This is such a power breakfast. I mean, it's really, really good. You have the protein and the eggs, all the fiber in the vegetables, all the vitamin A, vitamin K, antioxidants as well. I mean, you can't beat this. And like I said, you can make lots of these. Actually, you can make a lot of these, guys, and you can freeze them, Carlito.
Yeah, she told me that before this started. She said that you could put them in like the freezer or something and heat them up in the microwave.
Yes.
And you can have a burrito.
So let's make our first one, guys. You ready? Watch this, okay? Okay, we're going to roll them on the sides like this. Then we're going to, it's kind of like a tuck and roll. It's kind of hot. Be careful, guys. Okay, so we're going to push it in like this, guys. Very simple. We're going to keep rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. There we go. All right, wait. So we're going to turn it like this, Carlito. Go ahead. Carlito's attempting it, you guys. Turn it like this, and then here we're going to grab this, and we're going to go up to this. It's hot. Be careful. Wait a minute. Don't even rip the tortilla. We're going to tuck and roll. You're going to push back like this and keep folding here. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And now you're going to, now we're tuck and roll. Now we're going to keep rolling it now. Keep on rolling it now. Voila. There it is.
We got our funky burrito that
our delicious breakfast burritos. Now, guys, when I come back, we're going to plate and we're going to taste. But before we do that, you guys, we are going to unwrap our burritos and add our tomato and our cilantro. I forgot. That's funny, guys. This is a this is a very down-to-earth show. This is a real show. So, human error, guys. All right, so I'm going to do this, Carly. We're going to unwrap it real quick. My mistake, guys. I apologize. All right, so we're going to put some cilantro, fresh cilantro, and some fresh Roma tomatoes.
You can't forget the
Can't forget the tomatoes. No, cannot. All right, guys, so here we go. Tuck and roll. Tuck and roll. There we go. Tuck. I cut the next one, Carlito, in a diagonal. Look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that, guys.
Those
wow.
are great.
So we're just going to put these up like this. You can serve this with some sauce on the side if you like. Although I put the tomatoes and the cilantro, you really don't need to. You can also put some avocado in this as well. So either way, so here are our Power Breakfast Burritos, guys. Check them out. Let me do this one. Look at this, guys. Wait, let me stand this up. Wow. Actually, hold on a second. Actually, yes. Here we go. There are our Power Breakfast Burritos, guys. Yum, yum. You ready to taste? I'm ready. You ready, Carlito?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, hang on a second. Cheers. You can use some hot sauce if you want, whatever you like. Mmm. Oh my God.
Hey, Mom. I'm not full anymore.
You guys. Mmm. That broccoli and the spinach, the egg. You can taste that cheese. Oh my God, this is so good for you, you guys. You're going to love this. But for those of you that know me, you know that I'm a double dipper, right? Carlito just doesn't care. He just keeps going. I'm going to try it again. Mmm. 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 Oh my goodness. Wow. You guys, that fresh tomato and the fresh cilantro just makes it, doesn't it, Carlito?
Uh-huh.
You like it? It's so good for you. You like it?
You gotta make this for me for breakfast.
Tell them what you think.
She gotta make this for me for breakfast. I gotta make breakfast like this.
Okay, you can make it yourself. So remember, guys, as I just posted on my Facebook page, for those of you that follow me, my friends at Delight Cafe absolutely love me. I'm a great customer. I buy my CBD, which, of course, you need to be 21 and over to buy it. So, Mom's going to put her salt. It's actually CBD. It's odorless, tasteless, so good. Makes me feel, it just keeps you calm and balanced. And I just, where has this been all my life, you know? So, I'm going to put it on my half. I'm greedy, so I don't put it in the eggs or anything. Besides, Carlito's with me. And Carlito's underage, so Carlito's not going to have this. But I am. Haha. I'm going to put this on my delight, my little delight. I'm going to put it on my burrito. I love these people. It tastes like nothing, you guys. Look, I got some on my finger. Check it out. You see it? I got some on my finger. Look. Odorless, tasteless. So I'm going to take my last bite with my CBD. Yum. Mm. Mm. CBD down the hatchet. Mm. Good?
Guys, I have some news. I finished my first one.
Carlito just doesn't care. He just keeps going. Okay. So remember, guys, as I always say, to get your delight, make sure you use the promo code StovetopYumYum and you get $21 off your box. Great. Like I said, they sent me aprons. They gave me the promo code because I buy so much of it because it makes me feel so wonderful, so great. Like I said, Carlito doesn't because Carlito's a young man. He's only 12. But it makes his mom feel better, right, Carlito? Mm-hmm. You notice the difference?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Guys, let's stay together. Let's stay united. Let's start on a healthier trend. Stovetop Yum Yum is going to start on a healthier trend. Once in a while, though, I mean, we are going to have our episode of our Japanese pancakes. Yum yum.
That's something to be excited for.
And always remember, my two main ingredients are
passion and love.
That's right, passion and love. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't care where you come from. All I know is that when you incorporate passion and love, you guys, your recipe will not fail. I repeat, will not fail. Mm-hmm. Okay, guys? And as I always say, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, that's right, me and my sidekick will be back. And you guys, you don't want to miss it. You guys take great care as always, guys. Bye.